Hi, I'm Jody Nobiana, and I'm gonna answer the question on what is the definition of a successful group writing task and the guidelines that needs to be observed. When we talk about group writing tasks, it requires collaboration, good relationship of each members, and letting ideas or suggestions to be part of our process. There are 7 guidelines that will help our group to have a good and successful writing task. Primarily, we need to set a role for each member. Who's gonna lead the group? Who's the writer, the researcher, the proofreader or grammar checker, or even the one who will just support the group? Secondly, reading is the key to have a various knowledge about the topic. Articles, blogs, ebooks, or even physical books are good to help us view in different perspectives. We just need to be careful in our sources. Speaking of sources, and that is the third guideline, to check and balance every sources. Know if it is reliable and based on facts, especially when you are doing research papers. Furthermore, ask each member on what is your purpose in this group writing task. Know your topic well. Study each parts to establish the whole body of your paper. The next one is knowing who is your reader. Is it for children, for adults, for someone who can analyze in a short period of time, or someone who has a high degree of education? By this, we will know what words or phrases should be used in our paper. Moving on, start orchestrating our ideas. Know the process or writing process we need to finish, indicating how many paragraphs, sentences, and words needed for this writing task. And finally, we just need to enjoy our writing process to make it successful. And that is group writing task and its guidelines. Thank you and God bless.